Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. Today's video, I thought that I would film a bit of a tutorial for you. I did get a few requests to do something a little bit more beginner friendly, and hopefully this is it. It's a simple kind of glittery eye look. I used my new Rude Cosmetics glitter that I got when I was back in Belfast, and oh my gosh, I am in love. I recommend. They're only £5 each as well, which I think is an absolute bargain, especially for all of the thought that they put into the packaging. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy learning how to do this. I don't even know if this is even coherent because my camera died a few times throughout as well. Good job, Sam. Bravo. But yeah, if you want to know how to get this eye look, then just keep on watching. Hello. So I have done my brows already, as I normally do. If you want to know how I do my brows, then I'm probably going to make a video on it because I've kind of changed up my brow routine recently. So yeah, I'm gonna make a new video on my brows. So hang tight, maybe hit the subscribe button, and then you will see how I managed to do this. But yeah, let's get on into the tutorial. So to start off, as you all know, I love to use a base, preferably a concealer base for my eyeshadow, and today I'm going to take my Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. This time it's actually in the shade C0, which is basically just white. And also this is really good as a white eyeliner. I like it as a base because I think it makes colours pop a bit more. So yeah, that's a little hack for you, is that if you want your colours to pop a little more, use a white base. So what I do is I always just dab a little bit on the back of my hand. I find that that's a little bit more sanitary. And then take a concealer brush and just pat that all over my lid. Probably like the messiest part of the whole tutorial as well, because you're just like, I don't know, I don't tend to really care where I put the base as long as it's along my eyes. You mask it with the shadow and then you can always kind of tidy it up as well. This is just one of those things where I just pat it in and I don't set it. If you watch a lot of tutorials, you probably already know this trick about not setting it, but it basically just gives the shadow something else to adhere to. So once I've done that, I'm going to go in with my shadow, and for today's shadow I'm using Revolution Reloaded Iconic Division palette. I've used this a few times on this channel, but the main colours I'll be using today are this yellow here and then this cool toned brown. I'm going to go in with the yellow on a little bit of a dense blending brush, and I'm just going to pack that into my crease like so. And as you can see, that kind of pops a bit more than what it did in the palette because of the white. This yellow isn't actually as bright as I would like it to be. I do have a brighter yellow, but again, that's Kat Von D and I don't want to support her on my channel. I've already spoken about that before on the channel. I don't want to like go into it again, but yeah. If you have a brighter yellow, then go ahead. I'm just going to use this one. And also this palette was only £4, so it was the exact same price as the concealer. And I think that's a really good price for an eyeshadow palette. Like, I don't know, I feel like this one's just, it was meant to be a dupe for the Subculture palette, but I don't know, I really like the price point of this palette. And I have another Reloaded palette, and I just love them so much. They've just brought out a few new ones as well. There's an Arvina palette inspired one, so I might try and get my hands on that. Let me know down below if you'd like me to review that. Okay, and once I've finished packing that onto the crease, I'm just gonna go over again with the same brush and like gentle circular motions, really small as well. I'm going to buff that. Just buff out the edges a little bit so that it's a bit of a nicer blend, just a wee bit neater. You can spend as long as you'd like on this, although just be careful not to overblend. If you overblend, that's whenever your shadows will become muddy, and nobody wants a muddy shadow. Okay, and now that I've blended out those edges, I'm going to go in with that cool toned brown shade right here, and I'm going to take that on my Zoeva 228 Luxe crease brush. It's fluffy and looks like this. It's really dirty as well. I need to clean it. Oops. And I'm just going to like buff that over the edges as well, just to kind of, I don't even know, like create more drama and blend it out nicer, I guess. The trick to blending out colours like this is to, or just blending in general, is to apply very little pressure. The less pressure you apply, I feel like the smoother the blend is, because you know, you're not trailing shadow, you're just softly working it. I know that some people prefer a little bit of pressure. I used to prefer a little bit of pressure, but I just found this kind of brought my look together. I think I found that out from Mama Mitchell on Instagram. I'm not too sure, because I remember he did like a video with Nikki tutorials. Now I like to kind of wing my shadow a little bit because I feel like that complements my face a lot better. I have a round face, and I find if I do round eyes, then I look extra round, if that makes any sense. So I just kind of try and wing it to kind of make my face look a little bit more like angular. That's not really a nice description for a face though. Okay, and I'm gonna go back in with the yellow on the same blending brush, the Zoeva 228, and I'm gonna blend those two shades together just to really make sure that that is seamless. Okay, and now that I've done that and they're all blended quite nicely together, I'm going to go back in with the cool toned brown shade and I'm gonna center that a little bit more on the inner corners just to kind of shade the eye a bit better, because we are going to be doing kind of like a spotlight eye today, but not really. Like, you'll see what I mean. Well, you've already seen it because it was in the intro, but yeah, you get me. You just want a bit of definition in the eye when it becomes a look like this. I'm going to take this orange shade right here just to kind of brighten it up a little bit, and that's going right in the outer corners as well. I'm just going to pat that to blend it in. And now we're ready to do underneath the eye, and for that I'm going to just quickly take this warmer brown shade. By the way, these don't even have names, so I can't actually tell you what they're called. And I'm just going to take that on the more dense blending brush and I'm going to run that along my lower lash line. Because again, you want definition in your eye. The clouds are really nice outside my window. Okay, and I know this looks a little bit strange when you just see it like this, but please remember that the fit look is not finished yet. Everything will come together in the end and it will look really, really nice. So I'm going to go in with the cool tone brown shade again, and I'm just going to buff out that warm toned brown, and I'm going to connect it to this bit here just to kind of make it all look a bit more seamless. You'll find that I use the word seamless a lot in my tutorials, and that is because that is how you want your eyes to be. You don't want it to look like you just put some colors on your face, because that is how things start to look a bit messy. Like, making things look a little more seamless is how you kind of make it look more finessed and more professional. Make sure everything is somehow connected and blended together. Okay, and now on to the really fun part. I recently bought these cute little glitters from Rude Cosmetics. They're so new that I've actually not even taken the tape off them yet, so I'm gonna do that there. Unboxing. This one is in the shade Bling Bling, and they are cruelty free. The packaging is so cute. So on the front it says Rude, and on the back it says "You Glit Up My Life," which I think is so adorable. Okay, so to make the glitter sit on your face, you want to take a glitter glue or a glitter helper. Today I'm using the Lime Crime glitter helper. Just take like not even a pea-sized amount on your hand, more like a lentil size, if anyone here eats lentils. That much there. And I'm just using an old brush because I don't want to wreck any of my newer brushes, just in case it doesn't come off properly. And you just want to apply that mainly to the middle of the eye, but also all over the lid. Same way you would do like with the cut crease, just kind of bring that up a bit into like a dome shape. I feel like I'm blocking this off from the camera. Okay, and I'm gonna quickly do the exact same to the other eye, and hopefully that will let my camera charge a little bit. So I'll be back in a sec. Okay, I'm back. I'm not too sure if this is in focus because I didn't really have time to like hook my phone back up again as a remote, but I quickly played around with this eye to kind of get my bearings as to what I want to do, and I am honestly in love with this look already, and it's not even finished, so I'm gonna continue on. So once you applied the glitter helper to your eye, the glitter kind of comes in a little tub like this, and there's a little lid on it so that it doesn't go everywhere, and you just kind of pat it into the lid. I've already got some in there, so I'm not gonna pat too much more in. I don't want to waste it. And then you just kind of dip your brush in. Should already be a little bit tacky from whenever you add the glue, and then what you want to do is just press it onto the eye. Don't smear it, don't do anything like that, just press it onto the eye, and what that will do is that will give you the maximum coverage of glitter. I love this glitter so much because it's got a bit of like a reddy orange reflect to it, so it's not just like your standard yellow glitter. Otherwise I would be using my Glitter Tubes glitter. Yeah, this glitter is just so beautiful. So you just want to pat that all over the lid, being a little more sparing when it comes up to, you know, your crease. Okay, I'm back again. My camera died again. It's literally being so temperamental today. I do not know what is going on, and it is ruining this tutorial. But I basically finished up applying the glitter on this eye and then did my base. I am going to do an updated base routine type video as well, so you didn't miss out much there, and if you want to know how I did it, then keep an eye on my channel and you'll find out how I did this. I'll just give you a bit of a close-up of how the glitter turned out, and then I will continue on. That's like how the glitter turned out. As you can see, it's got a bit of a red or orange reflect. I think it's really cute. I love it so much. So I'm just gonna quickly finish up the eyes a little bit, and really quickly what you want to do is you want to highlight the brow bone with whatever highlighter you've already got on your face. Today I've used the Carly Bybel Deluxe palette, and I've used this pink shade. I'm going to take the fluffier brush type scenario, and I'm going to tap that in and just apply it to the brow bone. And what you want to do is you want to kind of blend it in with the shadow just to make, again, everything more seamless, because you don't want like a big line. I feel like that just really messes up a look, and it's literally like 2 seconds and you're done, and it just ties everything together so nicely. Okay, and just before we go on to mascara, I'm going to take my NYX Epic Ink liner, and I'm going to gently just line my waterline a little bit, because I feel that makes everything slightly more dramatic. I don't really go go overboard with this. I just do it like very, very lightly. Just do this to your own taste. And lastly, I'm just going to put on some mascara. Today I'm using the Makeup Gallery Plump Up one. This is literally from Poundland. I couldn't find my other mascara. Surprise, surprise, I'm an actual mess. So I'm trying to apply that, but you can use whatever mascara you want to. I think it's actually a bit dried out, so I'm not living for this. Just doing nothing for me. Yeah, don't use this mascara. And then just after you apply your mascara, I'm gonna finish this off camera because it's just not working out for me. Go into your highlight shade again. It's on a smaller brush and tap that into your inner corners to brighten up your face. Okay, so this is the finished product. I quickly just went back in with my Revlon Dramatic Definition mascara. I managed to find it and I threw that Poundland one in the bin. It is literally awful. And then I just threw on some lips. I'm wearing like the Benefit Dallas lip gloss or something. But yeah, this is the finished look. I honestly love how it turned out. You could wear this every day, or you could also wear it to like a party or a night out or whatever you want to do. It's super duper simple and it is the perfect like step forward into using like more out there products, I guess, and doing more out there looks. So yeah, let me know what you think about this look down below, and if you do recreate it, don't forget to tag me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is down in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you got this far into the video, comment a little orange emoji, like a little fruit or an orange heart, whatever you want to do, something orange. Comment something orange down below. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.